Hey everyone, check out the Inspired Living Ultra Slim Rolling Collapsible Storage Pack N-Roll Utility Cart designed for home, garden, shopping, office, and school use. This heavy-duty cart holds up to 50 pounds and collapses to just 3 inches flat for easy storage. Its ultra-slim design features a steel telescopic aluminum handle that extends up to 34 inches and folds flat with the push of a button. Made from durable BPA-free plastic, it has a heavy-duty silicone non-slip grip for reliable handling. Use it as a shopping cart, grocery cart, or utility cart with little to no assembly required. When fully expanded, it measures 15 inches high by 14 inches wide and 15 inches long, making it perfect for various tasks. This versatile, space-saving cart is built to make your life easier wherever you take it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.